Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you could build your own keyboard with Lego? Well, basically that's what we have here today. This is the MelGeek Pixel, a keyboard that is made entirely to use with Legos, and more or less this is incredibly customizable from an aesthetic standpoint. It is also hot swappable as well, so technically from an acoustic standpoint you could hot swap whatever switches that you would like into this board to have it sound exactly the way that you want. But I'm just going to tell you guys straight up, like, this is 100% going to be more of a novelty keyboard. Like, this is not going to be something that you're gonna, you're in a hardcore sweaty Apex game, you're like, man, I think I could use some help from a different keyboard, and you're gonna pick this one up. Like, that is not what's gonna happen. I just want to let you guys know that right now. This is something that's going to be a showpiece inside of your office, your room, your house, whatever. So with that being said, no, it is not the most comfortable keyboard to type on, and it sounds okay. I don't think that it sounds bad. Like, gaming with this is also like pretty hard because the keycaps are all very square and very flat, and they kind of run into each other, so it's very easy to like accidentally press the wrong key because you can't really feel too much separation between the caps. But other than me roasting the experience of this keyboard, it's actually a really cool concept. It's $199, and you can go online to some of the links that I have in the description. There's gonna be two links, one for the link to purchase the keyboard and one for the link to customize the keyboard to see what kind of designs that you could do. But if you have some Lego figurines, you can literally put your Lego figurines on the keyboard. Like, it's really Lego landscaping if you want to build, a 3D dimensional keyboard that's taller and got buildings over here and a little garage over here, a couple cars, maybe a street or something. Like, you could literally customize the crap out of this keyboard. And there's some cool things that I've seen, like you could make this keyboard look like a Nintendo Switch, which I think is a genius idea that even I might do in a little bit here. As soon as we get done with this review, I'm gonna buy some Legos and turn this thing into a giant Nintendo Switch. That would be pretty cool. The unboxing experience was also really good as well. Check out my YouTube shorts that I did unboxing this keyboard. And then also you do have some RGB lights on the sides of this board as well. And as you can see, it's not plugged in right now. This is also a wireless keyboard as well. So it does come with a USB 2.0 dongle that you can just plug into whatever, one of your regular USB ports on your computer, and it has this pretty cool design. And also for charging, it does come with this USB Type-C charging cable labeled with MelGeek's name on it. And you also got some little Lego bits on the charger as well. And this cable looks really cool. So, and surprisingly, the USB-C port is even in the correct spot on the left side of the keyboard. Guys, it really doesn't do a bunch wrong, and it's extra customizable. Like, this thing is a fantastic value for anybody that's looking for some extreme keyboard customization. Let me try and take off this part over here on the left. It's a little difficult because, it's flat, and, trying to take Legos apart is never super easy, but there we go. Right here, there's a little spot to put, if you want to put the dongle, even though it's going to slide around and shake around a little bit, you can put the dongle inside the keyboard so that you don't lose it. But yeah, otherwise, this thing is pretty cool. Would I use this as my daily driver keyboard? No. But would I put this keyboard up there? Absolutely, because that's kind of where it belongs. Again, this is just a really cool novelty keyboard. Not going to be something that you're going to be using to use for work, or quite frankly, even to play games. Again, I will have the links to the MelGeek Pixel in the description below. This thing is pretty cool, but I want to thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel as well if you're looking for more unique technology reviews, and I also do have a ton of monitor reviews coming up very soon too. Monitors are about to get spicy, and I actually managed to get an RTX 4090, so we're going to be doing not a new PC build, but an updated PC build pretty soon here. One of them's got some major changes coming to it. But thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Also guys, before I forget, this is what the unboxing experience was like. It's pretty cool. Very nice box. These extra Lego bits came in these boxes right here, and at the top when you slide this little thing over right here, it's pretty cool. This thing, they give you the little game over looking thing with all the little emojis and stuff. This is just a really cool experience. But yeah, highly recommend checking this thing out if you're looking for a showpiece for your office and you happen to love Legos.